Hello everyone, my name is Nefertari and I will be posting a series of quizzes that will cover the Bible from Genesis to Revelation. I will post these videos every noontime on Saturday unless something prevents me from doing so. And before you start with joining me in these quizzes, it requires that you read the Bible first. The first quiz will be covering Genesis chapter 1 to 3. So if you're watching this and you want to join, read the Bible first, Genesis chapter 1 to 3, before taking the quiz. I hope that you join me, and the reason I am doing this is to help myself study the Bible and to help others do the same. So let us start with Genesis chapter 1 to 3. Number 1. What was present in the beginning of creation? A. Earth. B. Waters. C. Darkness. D. All of the above choices are correct. In Bisaya, unsa may naa sa sinugdanan sa pagtuga sa kalibutan? A. Yuta. B. Tubig. C. Kangit-ngit. Or letter D. Tanan ni naa. Number 2. When day and night were created on the first day, what came first? A. Day or morning. B. Night or evening. C. Night and day, between night and day, or midnight. The letter D, the Bible does not say. In Bisaya, katong gituga ang adlaw o gabi sa pinakauna nga adlaw, unsa may nauna? Letter A, adlaw or kahayag. Letter B, gabi or kangit-ngit. Letter C, tunga-tunga sa adlaw o gabi or ginatawag natong midnight. Letter D, wala nasulti sa Biblia. Number 3. What does the verse imply? In Genesis 1:10 in King James Version says, "And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw that it was good." Based on that, what does the verse imply? Letter A, that God likes to create good things. Letter B, that in the beginning the earth was not dry. Letter C, that water covered everything. Letter D, that there are different forms of water. So in Bisaya, unsa may ginasulti ato nga verse? Letter A, ang Ginoo ganahan magtuga og maayong mga butang. Letter B, sa sinugdanan ang earth or ang yuta dili uga. Letter C, ang tubig nalukop niya ang tibuok kalibutan or tanan-tanan. Letter D, naay lahi-lahi nga porma sa tubig. Number 4. On what day of creation was the fruit brought forth from the earth? Letter A, the second day. Letter B, the third day. Letter C, the fourth day. Or letter D, the fifth day. In Bisaya, sa unsang adlaw sa pagtuga ang prutas ni gawas gikan sa yuta? Letter A, sa ikaduhang adlaw. Letter B, sa ikatulong adlaw. Letter C, sa ikaupat na adlaw. Or letter D, sa ikalima na adlaw. Number 5. Which creatures were created on the same day that man was formed? Letter A, the birds. Letter B, cattle. Letter C, whales. D, the Bible was not specific. In Bisaya, unsa man na mga tinuga ang gibuhat sa parehong adlaw nga ang tao gibuhat? Letter A, mga langgam. Letter B, katong mga hayop nga upat ang tiil or cattle. Letter C, whales, katong mga dagkong isda or bagis. Letter D, wala gisulti gyud og maayo sa Biblia. Number 6. What kind of food were all beasts and birds given by God to consume? Letter A, meat from other animals. B, meat created by God for this reason. C, meat from green herbs. Or D, the Bible did not say. Unsa man na pagkaon ang gihatag para sa mga mananap ug mga langgam para kaunon? Letter A, karne gikan sa ubang mananap. Letter B, karne nga gibuhat sa Ginoo para lang ipakaon. Letter C, karne gikan sa mga tanom. Or letter D, wala na sulti sa Biblia. Number 7. There was one specific tree that God told Adam not to eat of. What is that tree? Letter A, the tree of knowledge. Letter B, the tree of death. Letter C, the tree of life. Letter D, the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. In Bisaya, na isa ka kahoy nga giingon sa Ginoo dili kauno ni Adan. Unsa man to nga kahoy? Letter A, ang puno sa kahoy sa pagkaalam. Letter B, ang puno sa kahoy sa kamatayan. Letter C, ang puno sa kahoy sa kinabuhi. Letter D, ang puno sa kahoy sa pagkabalo sa unsay maayo og dautan. Number 8. Which part of Adam was taken to be part of the woman's form? A, rib. B, wrist. C, arm. D, leg. Unsa may parte ni Adan ang gikuha sa Ginoo para ipormahon ng babae? Letter A, ang iyang rib or gusok. Kung tama ba ko? Letter B, wrist. O ang iyang kaninga part, wrist. C, arm. Ang iyang kamot. Kanang itibok kamot. Letter D, leg. Ang iyang tiil. Number 9. What does this verse imply? In Genesis 3:14 in King James Version, it says, "And the Lord God said unto the serpent, Because thou hast done this, thou art cursed above all cattle, and above every beast of the field. Upon thy belly shalt thou go, and dust shalt thou eat all the days of thy life." So what does this verse imply? Letter A, that the snake is manipulative. Letter B, that the snake cannot be trusted. Letter C, that the snake had legs. Letter D, that the snake was cursed. Number 9 in Bisaya, unsa may buot pasabot atong teksto? Letter A, nga ang snake mahilig magmanipula. Letter B, nga ang halas dili masaligan. Letter C, nga ang halas naay tiil. Or letter D, nga ang halas gisumpa. Number 10. What is the meaning of the name Eve? Letter A, the first woman. Letter B, the beginning. Letter C, partner of Adam. Letter D, mother of all living. Unsa may buot pasabot anang pangalan na Eva? Letter A, ang unang babae. Letter B, ang sinugdanan. Letter C, ang kapares ni Adan. Letter D, ang inahan sa tanang buhi. And now let us go to answer sa tunang tubagon ang tanan na question. So, if you have your paper with you or if you have taken note of your answer, let us answer it together. Number 1. What was present in the beginning of creation? The answer is letter D. All of the above choices are correct. Number 2. When day and night were created on the first day, what came first? The answer is letter B, night or evening. Number 3. What does the verse imply? Kani sa Genesis 1:10, ang iyahang ginasulti diri is letter B, that in the beginning, the earth was not dry. Naiuban, or maybe some would argue that letter C is also correct. Yes, it is acceptable, but the best answer is still letter B. Number 4. On what day of creation was the fruit brought forth from the earth? The answer is letter B, the third day. Ang mga prutas nanggawas sa ikatulong adlaw. Which creatures were created on the same day that man was formed? The answer is letter B, cattle or four-legged animals. So, atong naon nga ang mga mananap na gituga kauban sa tao is ang mga naiupat katiil nga mga mananap. Number 6. What kind of food were all beasts and birds given by God to consume? Unsa day pakaon sa mga mananap ug mga langgam? The answer is letter C. Meat from green herbs or meat gikan sa mga tanom. Number 7. There was one specific tree that God told Adam not to eat of. What is that tree? Unsa datong kahoy nga giingon sa Ginoo dili kaunon ni Adan ang prutas? The answer is letter D, the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. Number 8. Which part of Adam was taken to be part of the woman's form? Unsa may gikuha gikan kay Adan para pormahon na babae? The answer is letter A, rib. Number 9. What does this verse imply? Genesis 3:14. Unsa may pasabot ani nga bersikulo? The best answer for these choices is letter C, that the snake had legs. Kay kung atong tan-awon ingon siya diri, because thou hast done this, you are cursed above all cattle. And if you find the definition of cattle, these are animals similar to cows, giraffes, yak, and antelopes, kanang mga four-legged animals with hooves and eats the cud. So, tanggalan siyang tiil sa Ginoo because of what the snake did. Number 10. What is the meaning of the name Eve? Unsa may pasabot aning pangalan na Eva? Ang answer is letter D, mother of all living. Siya ang mama or ang nanay sa tanan nga nabuhi. And so that was the end of our quiz for chapter 1 to 3. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again next Sabbath for Genesis chapter 4 to 6. Bye-bye.